what you're looking at is the most northwestern part of Nevada. It is called the Sheldon National Antelope Refuge. As you can see, it's quite a few earthquakes there. Past 30 days, only 44. But I've been reporting on this and looking into this for 3 months. And in the past 3 months, I'm going to have to say roughly 500. We just had a 4.6 last night. And well, Ben over here, Suspicious Observers, even caught this one. I'll let you hear this for a minute.
Rang much of the West Pacific, even up to Japan. We saw a moderate tremor strike in the Arctic Circle north of Iceland, and an extremely unusual uptick near the Nevada-Oregon border. These are listed as Oregon, but clearly falling on the Nevada side of the state line. 24 small quakes in one day. Eyes
open there, he says. So I've been looking at this and convinced there are no fault lines there. There's some within a few miles away, say 70. Let me see if we can find these. Over at Goose Lake, where California runs up into Lakeview, Oregon. Here's a nice little fault line here, right along this lake line. It's actually a pretty high cliff there, several hundred feet above this Goose Lake. When I started looking into this 3 months ago, I went over to the Sheldon Wildlife page and found out they were rounding up about 700 horses to be used for pet food, most likely. They've posted a few things here. They public observation and stuff. Probably 2 people went. Nobody lives in this area. They went to get more horses, probably because they're drinking the water, and frackers need that water. So just know that using fossil fuels is not getting anywhere. For the BLM to even give away the right to frackers to come in where these antelope are and sage-grouse, which are protected and almost on an extinct list, more or less. It's just really heartbreaking, saddening. The 4.6 or 4.8 or 4.9, whatever they want to call it or downgrade it to, was only a football field deep, which tells me something went seriously wrong. So when you're fracking and things break, this is what's going on here. There's been a lot of 3s, 3.5s. I could go back and show you exactly how many over the past 3 months. And I also have a PDF file, which I will attempt to dig up and locate where I got it from and send it to you. How there's all kinds of contractors running around there, but every time I try to look up fracking in the United States, I can't get a straight answer, and maybe I just get frustrated with it and give up. You know, just trying to find out all the places, but this is one of them, and it could have been a 5-pointer. You really can't even feel that for 50 miles in these kind of areas due to the geological makeup. Another heads up, if you're into clouds, NASA is asking for your clouds. So I'll try to leave that link, and it also reminded me of an older one, Clouds 365, that went on for 3 years or so. Just so you know, fossil fuels, fracking, gasoline, coal, shale oil, it's just all bad news. just destroying this planet. These quakes had nothing to do with solar flares or natural occurrences. So, until next time, I'm out.